Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at something very exciting. Have you ever had an idea but you are not actually able to create it as a web application because you are not having the technical skills to set up an environment, or you are not actually very familiar with the coding, or you don't know how to set up the database or set up the login and all those challenges. So here is a simple tool where you could actually specify your requirement. So here let's go with an example. So here I'm specifying to create an attendance tracker. I just wanted to add the number of classes. I actually wanted to add the student details, and I actually want to see this as a graph. I'm just giving a high level requirement, and you could actually see the magic already happening. It's generating the code. It's completely starting a project from scratch, and you can actually see the IDE on the right. If you're a developer, you could actually see each of the files are actually getting generated on the left side, and you could actually see how the folders are structured. It's exactly how a developer would be writing a code, and you could actually see the application is live in less than 2 minutes. You could actually see that it's already working. You could actually add a class which we specified as a requirement, and you could actually do pretty much anything that you ask for. And to deploy this, it's pretty simple. All you need to do, just click on deploy, and you will be actually able to deploy it. If you are a developer, you could actually just you're logging with GitHub, and you could actually transfer this code base into your GitHub with a button click. And if you want to actually make any changes, you could actually deploy it, and you could actually see this on your. You are actually good to use this as an application. And if you want to make any changes, you don't need to really get into the code. If you're not familiar, you don't need to really get into the code at all. You could actually specify your requirements again back in the command. And let me give you an example. I just want to actually change the theme of this into dark, and probably I will change the name of the application into something like IITB's attendance tracker. So I'm just typing in the requirement, and you could actually see the magic is already happening. It's just completely rewrite. It's identifying the page where it need to make the code changes. It's making that, and it's just trying to actually deploy it again. It's just a matter of few clicks, and you are actually finding the code changes already running in front of you. So let's quickly see in action. You could actually see, if you're a developer, you could actually see that, and you could actually see what are the changes that are actually made. It's clearly explaining it to a non-tech user, and you could actually see the changes already reflecting. It's already converted into dark theme. It is also renamed the application names as IITB's application tracker. This could be the future of coding. You could actually do it literally to anything. You could actually create any application that you actually envision. So if you like it, please share it with a developer friend who may actually need this. Thank you.